How do we let the Google Antigravity tool use the extension, work on its own, and test how everything functions? As you can see here, people are getting a bit used to it, but it's already working, okay? Looks like it managed to open the tool. This is my first time using it. Now I'll show you how to set it up and avoid all kinds of bugs, because I've had bugs, and probably many of you, thousands of people, are having the same issue. Don't worry, we'll fix it. First off, in the description, if you want to learn about AI, you've got my free ebook and my prompt library, Prompt Ball, where you can save your own prompts if you're interested. Let's let the AI do its thing, and I'll explain how to do it. Alright, first of all, we need to have Google Antigravity. Obviously, but to avoid any issues in Google Antigravity, top right, we need to sign in. That's obvious too. Alright, let's go to Chrome. Open the Chrome profile with the account where you have the paid version of Google Antigravity. Oh, I don't have a paid version. Okay, well, with whichever version you've signed into Google Antigravity. For example, if you signed into Google Antigravity with your account number 1, then in Chrome, sign in with account number 1. Good. Search for Google Antigravity extension. Alright, we go in and save it. Now, over here in Settings, in Open Antigravity User Settings, once you've got the extension alone doesn't do anything. So don't try clicking around, because nothing will happen. I tried it here in browser. Look, it changed everything on me here. I had tried entering the binary path and the browser user profile path. Don't worry about this. It's not necessary. Alright, what's going to happen? Let me see if I can find the chat. Okay, I tell him, open localhost and check if the add images button works. In other words, I'm telling him to test on his own whether the tool works. He starts testing, navigates, tries it out, well, does all the planning. He starts and says that URL opened in browser, blah, 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 it's opened. And he says, I tried to navigate and I couldn't. And what's the error? It says, failed to create browser context, failed to install Playwright. And the error is, home environment variable is not set. Okay, this is the error. How do we fix this error? Very easy. Basically, we just tell him, hey, I have a browser error because the home environment variable is missing. Please open the terminal and set the home environment variable to point to my current user folder. I need this saved for Playwright to work correctly. You have the message here. You can copy it as is. You can do an OCR and you've got it. So the guy fixes it. What happens? Once he fixes it, we have to restart the computer. And once we restart, because here, as you see, I'm trying again. I tried again, but it failed, so I restarted. I told it, try again, retry now. And it worked, which is what we were seeing at the beginning. And I'm seeing it has playback. Wow, I can see what it's been doing in case I wasn't actively watching, to see what it's been testing and doing. Wow, this program is incredible. Now, the million-dollar question, did it fix it for me? No, it didn't fix it for me. But hey, I fixed the error, this error. Now I have many others left. I hope I've been helpful, as always. The best help you can give is liking this and giving me your email in the form below in the description. I won't spam you. I'll just notify you of the latest A news. You can subscribe. The content is great. Okay, I put a lot of work into it. How many people are out there explaining this? Subscribe. Now, yes, I hope you liked it and see you in future videos. Bye-bye.